Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Wisdom Journey. Today we will discuss depression, which affects millions of people worldwide. But do you know that Islam offers valuable guidance on overcoming this mental health challenge? In this video, we will explore how Islamic teachings can help us combat depression and lead more fulfilling life. First, we need to understand depression from an Islamic perspective. Depression is a serious mental health condition that can affect anyone, regardless of their faith. Islam acknowledges the existence of mental health issues and encourages us to seek help and support when needed. By understanding that depression is a test from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we can approach it with the right mindset and use Islamic teachings to overcome it. The most essential thing is strengthening our faith in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. One of the key ways to fight depression in Islam is to strengthen our faith in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is essential to remember that Allah is always with us, even during our darkest moment. By turning to prayer, reading the Quran, and making dua, we can seek relief and guidance from our Creator. Now, after strengthening our faith, seeking professional help is also important. Islam encourages us to seek knowledge and utilize available resources to improve our well-being. If you are struggling with depression, it is important to consult with a mental health professional who can provide appropriate support and treatment. Combining professional help with spiritual practices can be a powerful approach to overcoming depression. Gratitude and patience are crucial Islamic values that can help us cope with depression. By focusing on blessings in our lives and expressing gratitude to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we can shift our mindset and find reasons to stay hopeful. Practicing patience during difficult times reminds us that our struggles are temporary and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward us with our persistence. Also, connecting with a supportive community is crucial. Islam emphasizes the importance of brotherhood and community support. Reach out to trusted friends, family members, or support groups to share your struggles and seek advice. By connecting with others who understand and support us, we can find strength and encouragement to overcome depression. To overcome depression, you should also engage in acts of worship and charity. Acts of worship and charity can provide a sense of purpose and fulfillment, which can help relieve feelings of depression. By engaging in regular prayers, fasting, giving zakat, and performing acts of kindness, we can strengthen our connection to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and find inner peace. Remember, depression is a challenging task that many people face. But through Islamic teachings, we can find the strength and guidance to overcome it. By turning to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, seeking professional help, practicing gratitude and patience, and connecting with a supportive community, we can rise above our struggles and lead a more fulfilling life. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us all healing, peace, and strength. Ameen. If you found the video informative and valuable, be sure to hit the like button, share it with others, and subscribe to Wisdom Journey. We have many more insightful videos on Islam, unity, and personal growth that you won't want to miss. Please share your thoughts on the video and feel free to suggest any topics you would like us to cover in future videos. Your feedback is valuable to us. Thank you for watching the video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.